Okay, well, fixing up and organizing of my grain wagons. I just got this John Deere gear 802, model 802 with the tie rod steering, kingpin steering. I had never made a video of this, of either of them. On steel, antique. This is my hayride wagon. Sometimes I pull it with the crawler, sometimes I pull it with the Cub Cadet. It's got the shovel board with it. Shovel board comes down and any grain on it would be shoveled into, I don't know what it would be shoveled into. Elevator or something. This, I think, was made 1939 to 1946, 47. Got stenciling left on it. It says 26-inch tall pieces. So this model came with 26-inch tall sides. I'm not sure what you would call it, a triple board or a double board. I know the older ones were called singles and doubles and triples. This one here is a little cutie pie. This is David Bradley 409 running gear. You can see it, the sunshine seems to be right on it. I'm not sure. This box is missing. I don't know if it's missing another sideboard or not. But it's a nice original box. The internet says that this company went out of business in 1949, I think. But I like it because it's a small one. I'm going to put some hay bales in this one too. The John Deere is probably going to go down the road. But this is tongue and groove boards. Tongue and groove construction, you can see. Car siding, I think they call that. Spent a lot of time in the barn, I guess. I'm not even sure I got it on the wagon right. Chief Bemidji. This little gear, this little setup here is for using my loader to move this thing, pick the front axle up. This thing, these things are a pain in the neck to move. When the steering, when you got to use the steering and you're trying to steer it. This one I have the tractor tongue for too. I don't know how old the running gear is on that. Wartime, I think. I don't know. Who knows? It's on steel. One of these days I get ambitious, I'll redo the running gear. Paint it up, but hoping the grandkids get older sooner or later. Put a paintbrush in their hand. Okay, thanks for watching my video.